All right, guys, so we're going to get into a Kimura entry from the guard, and it's just going to be a type of open guard that we call Vale Tudo Guard, reference like no holds barred fighting in Brazil, for those of you that don't know. And this is also called like the clamp guard. I've seen it called different things over the years, even overhook or underhook open guard. Right, it just depending, because I'm going to do that with my arm in some instances. So let's take a look at this Vale Tudo Guard. We've got some other videos out on it if you want to check those out. And yeah, it's great for self-defense. It's great for fighting, and I also use it all the time, just rolling, doing jiu-jitsu. You know, whether we're working on punches or not. So something for you to add, and it's fundamental Kimura. Right. So he's in my guard. Now, Vale Tudo Guard, you can do it off of punch defense, or there's a lot of different entries, but it's from just posture control, okay? So let's say something like he's trying to hit me with an overhand. I'm gonna pull him down and block, right? And then I can start wrapping his arm here, right? And controlling the distance, and then this foot needs to come up by his ear, okay? So we'll turn the face. Just turn this way. Here. Okay. Now, see, like, look at the direction of my knee. I think about this a lot because of kicking. Like the direction of your knee is important on kicking, and you kind of control that. You control the direction of the kick or the type of kick. But here, look at my knee is kind of pointing up, right? If I engage my hip more and start pointing my knee towards the floor, it's more posture control, right? Because what he's going to try and do is posture up. Right, but if I point my knee towards the floor, like that's how I'm thinking about this, he's not going to be able to posture up. Now, I also need to be within distance to hit. I've got this arm isolated, right? So I want to be able to hit with open palm strikes, with elbows, whether that's an upward elbow, a horizontal elbow, a back elbow, right? You can also use hammer fists. But these open palm strikes, elbows, they don't feel good, and you're not going to accidentally break your hand by punching with a closed fist on their skull. That bone on bone can break your hand, okay? So we got strikes here. Now, in this posture control, what we want to do is come back with our knife hand here, grabbing, right? Connecting, and finishing the Kimura, okay? So here, he comes with this overhand. I block. I wrap, foot on the hip on this far side. This leg is coming up here, and I'm crunched in. I don't need to be way far away like this. Here. Here I can strike, 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 submit. Okay? So a lot of really good components on that drill. Okay? Kimura is one of the first moves I've learned in all of Jiu-Jitsu, right? Just vividly remember connecting my hands in that way for that submission and feeling the leverage and the power that it had, and just something that you stay with the whole time you train Jiu-Jitsu. So then this is just, punch defense, posture control. You're able to hit two, or, you're just rolling, break their posture down. They're trying to stack you, get off the line, overhook their arm, control the distance, control the posture with your knee, pointing downward. And you got that Kimura. And a whole bunch of other options too. So that's just the basic Vale Tudo Guard Kimura.